Hey R&R Lotion, quick question. So, are people finding your product on Amazon and actually buying it, or are they leaving and buying from someone else? I'm Zanny. I'm a business development representative from a Amazon guy, and I'm looking at your listing right now, and I noticed a few small things that could be stopping you from getting more sales. Well, I'm here for a solution. So, this is a tool that we use to look at keywords. We usually like to see a 1 to 2 ratio of paid to organic keywords, and we call that the 1 to 2 calling keyword ratio. And as I'm seeing here from your keyword distribution, you're not really running any ads. So, in this case, you're probably leaving money on the table. So, we run more than 300 PPC counts and find it's a good idea to always run ads, and it can be done so profitably. So your organic keywords can be improved. If you check this out right here, this is your word cloud. So these are the most important keywords for listing. So there are thousands of additional keywords you can index for, and organic keywords help you get seen on Amazon without paying for all the ads. Now moving down right here, these are your keyword phrases, and I arranged them from being the highly searched to the lowest. So you're going to notice for most of the highly searched keywords right here, we're not really ranking anything for them. So this is a huge missed opportunity. Imagine how much sales could grow if customers could actually find your product using these terms. Okay, we're also ranking organically for some of the words like bulk hand sanitizer, German hand sanitizer, but we're not running any ads on it. So, ranking in the double or triple digits organically means your product is very deep in search results, so customers might never see it. So, by bidding on these relevant keywords, you can increase your visibility and even improve your organic ranking over time. Now, let's take a look at what shows up in the search result. And just to give you an idea of how big your category is, just looking at the top 50 listings for a single keyword, you're already seeing around $15 million in monthly revenue. So this tells me there's still a lot of market share we can tap into here. So what we do is we help you capture more of that through SEO by improving your rankings, increasing your click-through rate, and boosting your conversion rate. That way, you're not just getting traffic, you're actually turning it into revenue. Now let's take a look at one of your competition, and we're not here to directly compare these two products, but to see what strategies we can learn and apply. So they're ranking for a lot more keywords than you, and this is a pretty big reason why they're seeing higher sales. So for the past 30 days, they have sold 38,000 units, and we're down to 41. So that is a big gap considering we are both on the same category. But we can help you close that gap with a keyword gap analysis. Basically, we find the high volume keywords your competitors are using and add them to your listings. When we do this, we usually look at least 10 competitors and focus on the keywords most of them rank for in the top 10 with the highest impressions. So, doing this gets your product indexed for more searches and in front of more potential customers. Now, going back to your homepage right here, here's some places we can put some keywords in. So, on the title, we can put up to 200 characters filled with SEOs. Right here, we can definitely improve on this one by fleshing out more keywords. So usually 250 to 500 characters maximum. Also on the images part right here, okay, these are pretty good, but I would definitely recommend adding one or two product videos. So we like to joke, but it's true that photos are for humans and then the text is for robots. So using this framework would completely change how you build your listing. And speaking of images, okay, we do have A plus content right here. So this is a good opportunity because adding A plus content is one of the easiest ways to grow your sales quickly. Okay, we also have a product grid, which is very great. Okay, so the only thing we're missing is a brand story, but overall, this is a pretty great listing. So all we need to do here is do some polishing there and there, and we can optimize our SEOs to have more sales. So here in my Amazon guy, we help Amazon brands go fast and profitably. So right now we manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly ad spend, generating over $1.2 billion in revenue. So if you're losing rank, overspending on ads, or just not scaling the way you should, we fix that with data-driven strategies across PPC, SEO, and your entire catalog. So if you found this video helpful, please click the link below this video to speak directly with an Amazon expert to grow your sales on Amazon.